Hello and welcome to Platinum Pass. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now, in this lecture I am going to tell you why negative signs are coming in some functions when they are differentiated. There are some proofs. For the first one, differentiation of cosec is negative sin x. This I am going to prove for first. Now, as we know, according to different trigonometry, the cosec can be converted into sine pi by 2 minus x. Based on this, we can differentiate this one. By differentiating sine pi by 2 minus x, differentiation of sin x would be cos x. So, sin pi by 2 minus x would be cos pi by 2 minus x. As inside here also there is a x, so it would be minus 1 while differentiating minus x. As differentiation of constant is 0. Now that means the answer would be minus sin x. By the theorem of trigonometry, cos pi by 2 minus x would be sin x. So overall minus sin x is the answer. Therefore, cos x, differentiation of cos x would be minus sin x. Now for the proof of second one is cosec x is equal to minus cotx into cosec x. As we know, according to trigonometry, cosec x equal to 1 upon sin x. So differentiation of sin x would be differentiation of 1 upon sin x would be, according to working rule of a by b differentiation, that b into differentiation of a minus a differentiation of b by b square. According to this, the 1 upon sin x differentiation would be sin x into differentiation of 1 minus 1 into differentiation of sin x by sin square x. Now this term would be 0 as differentiation of one constant is 0, and differentiation of sin x would be cos x. Therefore the answer would be 0 minus cos x by sin square x. As you can see here, this term would be zeroed and differentiation of sin x would be cos x, and this term would be constant remaining sin square x. So final answer would be this. Therefore cosec x is equal to negative cos x by sin square x. This can be further simplified. As cos by sin minus cos by sin into sin x, 1 upon sin x. That is minus cos x by sin x into 1 upon sin x. Now according to trigonometric rule, cos x, negative cos x would be negative cos x by sin x would be negative cot x, and 1 upon sin x would be cosec x. Therefore the final answer is cosec x is equal to minus cot x into cosec x. Now for the third one is cot x is equal to minus cosec x. The proof is, as we know, according to trigonometry, cot x is equal to 1 upon 10 x. Therefore differentiation of 1 upon 10 x would be negative. According to working principle a by b, differentiation of 1 upon 10x would be 10x into differentiation of 1 minus 1 differentiation of 10x by 10 square x. Therefore the 10x in the differentiation of 1 would be 0, and differentiation of 10x would be 6 square x and 10x, 10 square x. Again I am going to tell you, this would be 0 as differentiation of constant is 0 and differentiation of 10x would be 6 square x, and this 10 square x would be remain as it is. Therefore overall answer would be minus 6 square x by 10 square x. Now this can be rearranged. That would be 6 square x could be 1 by cos square x, and 10 square x would be sin square x by cos square x. Now this cos square x and cos square x will be cancelled. So overall answer would be minus 1 upon sine square x. Therefore cot x is equal to minus cosec square x, as sine x trigonometric function is sine square x is cosec square x. Hit the like icon, do subscribe and press the bell icon for latest update. Do share with your friends and comment if any doubt.